Hey, Brian, Kenny Colgan here. We're going to take a look at your symbology. What I did, I started a new project, just brought it in and stuck it to the ceiling. So you can see it right here. I'll zoom in and out a little bit. Let me actually reduce some of this stuff over here so we can see better. All right, so the symbol seems to be working pretty well as far as the on-off switches work. I haven't gone through and tested all of them. I turned them all off, and then I can see how you have them set here. So you can turn on whatever you want, and it gives you, like, I guess, bazillion options, whatever you need. So that concept works well. We just need to take those concepts and move them over to the annotation symbol, and then link them back to here. So you're almost there. The only thing we need to do is move into the actual uh, into the annotation symbol and do the edits there. So let me show you. I'm going to do it quickly, and hopefully you can take it and run with it. So when I grab this symbol, you'll notice that you can see there is your symbology, and then there's the X little circle in there that was part of the original. Now, if I come down here and I change the scale, let's say 1/4 inch, I want you to notice that the smaller symbol adjusts in size, but your larger one doesn't. Okay, it's because the larger one was done inside the physical family, and then this guy here is a nested annotation symbol, okay, or family. So let's take a look at that now. I'm going to open the family up. I'm going to grab the family here. I'm going to come over here and hit edit family. Now, when I open it up, I can see all your stuff in it. It looks fine. What we want to do is we actually want to talk about the piece that's underneath here. It may be hard to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the scale a little bit. So I changed the scale, and I'm hoping to see that that symbol will pop up. So let me go something like this, all right? So I am seeing that X showing up now. You see it right here? Okay. Now I want you to notice that that's its own family. See? Exit sign annotation. Now that's where you want to do all of your line work, because then as you make adjustments to scale, you'll see it update. So let's go through the process right now. I'm going to grab this family and hit edit family. Okay. Now I'm in this family here. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw in here. So I'm going to just draw a circle up here, and I'm going to associate it so you see how it works. I'm going to go to my line tools up here, and just like you drew everything else, you're going to draw the same stuff here. So I'm going to put in a circle, okay, like so. Now, if you don't like what you're seeing as far as line work, you can come over here, hit the little line work button, get them looking the way you want. So I'll put that in. Now, you'll notice I have this item here, and it has a visibility setting. You're going to have to link the visibility settings. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to hit this little button here, and I'm going to just call it circle. You can call these the same as you did earlier, so you can associate them easily. So I'm going to say circle top. Okay, kind of use that top thing, top circle. I think that's it, did it. So let's go use that same logic. Now this isn't building a new one. I'm sorry. You got to hit here, and I do that. This is the search. You got to hit new, and we're going to call it top circle. All right. So now top circle, and you want that to be an instance because that's how you had the other things. And I'm going to set this on the visibility. That way it's going to be easier for us to work. All right, at this point I hit OK. So what I've done now is I've added a new visibility parameter, but it's inside of the subfamily. All right, so let's go ahead now. I'm going to say load this family, which is the exit sign, into, see it says exit sign right there. Load it back into the exit sign, hit OK, and I'm going to say, do you want to override the existing version? Yes. All right, see the circle showed up? Now the circle is additive. If I change the scale, I go down here to 160. See how it got bigger, right? Now, if I turn off the text, it would be more prevalent. So, but I just wanted you to see that. Now, that's what's important. I'm going to turn off the dimensions so they're not in our way right now. Just there. Okay. Got to leave this on the screen. Hit OK. All right. So see how that circle showed up. Now, you're going to go through and inside that annotation exit sign family, you're going to add all that stuff back again, just like you did. Then the final step is in this family, we're back in your exit sign family, you're going to associate parameters. And this is how we do it. So I am in the exit sign that you created. I'm going to go over here to Foursquare, right? And these are all your parameters that you put in here. Now notice you don't have one called top circle. So I'm just going to use, let's just call it top emergency. I'm going to use that, okay? So cancel out of that. Now I'm going to grab this family and I hit edit type. Right? Now when I hit edit type, you see it comes up. Cancel there. See right here, it says bottom hatch, top hatch. So let me go ahead and grab this again. Grab that family. top circle. See top circle? I'm going to associate that with top emergency. Hit OK. All right, so now I just associated it. So now if I come over here, load into project 1, now overwrite the existing version. Okay, so if I grab on here and I turn on top emergency, go down here and turn on top emergency, see the circle shows up, and because you had that other stuff in here, but watch what happens to my circle when I change the scale to 1/8 inch. See, my circle gets bigger. So all you have to do now, to recap, is you need to go ahead, rebuild all the symbology in that nested annotation symbol, and then cross over and make those happen. I hope that worked for you. If you have any questions, give me a call.